Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. Today's video is a clean with me. So I really need to clean my apartment. I've been needing to do it for a good few days, but I've just been putting it off. So I thought if I film it, then it gives me an excuse to have to clean it. So I love watching the speed clean videos. They're super motivating. So I thought I may as well try and film it for myself and clean up my place at the same time. So I hope you really enjoy this video, and like and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I'm loving posting on my channel, so thank you so much for joining, and let's get into it. So here's some of the products I'm going to use. This Febreze spray is so nice, so I'll use that at the end. Dettol all-in-one, Fabulosa, and then some Carpet Fresh, some Lenore, some pink stuff, just loads of different cleaning products. These are some of my faves, and it really makes the place smell so good. So I'm just going to turn the music on. I have surround sound in this apartment, so I'll show you how it works. I'm just going to put the radio on whilst we clean, just to keep me motivated. So it looks like this, and then I just connect it to the Wi-Fi and then press the buttons and go. So if you can hear the music, that's what it is. So I'm actually starting off in my bathroom. The first thing I'm going to do is use the flash spray. This is the bathroom one, and a little cloth, and do round about my sinks and my countertops. So yeah, I'll put some music over this and we can get into it. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this, but I really like this section in my bathroom. So it's a little spa set that I've made up, and I just put little bows around it because of Christmas. But yeah, these were from TK Maxx, and the plant was from the range. So I wanted to show you this towel just while I was cleaning up the bathroom, but how amazing is it? I got it from Asda Living and just put these little bows at the top, but like it's so cute and so festive and just makes me smile every time I come in here. So you guys are like literally underneath the extractor fan right now, so that's the light I'm using. So sorry if this is a bit bad, but I just wanted to show you I'm using the pink stuff to clean the top of the stove. I have like a gas central stove. Hey, you always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Okay, guys, so I feel like Cinderella with a brush in my hand. So I've now sprayed everywhere and cleaned the surfaces. I'm not going to do the floors, so I'm going to use my brush first. And then I'm also using this flash mop. So I'll show you a better like clip of the flash mop, but it's so good if you haven't seen it. I think I got mine in Home Bargains. It was a moving in present. Okay, so this is a flash mop. So you just press it down and it sprays the liquid out of the bottom. Can you see? But it's so handy, like there's no mop bucket, there's no mess, and then you just change the pads so you can turn it like to the side to get this side and this side, and then like you get underneath. So I like to go and get underneath all these like furnitures and stuff. There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, the only one is inside of me. Go, I don't really dare to escape, fall out in and out of space, so I stay. Hey, oh here we go, it's over. Hi guys, so that is me finished cleaning. I've done everything I needed to do. I've just poured myself a nice glass of wine. Do you like these glasses? These are from Asda, like George at Asda. But they're so nice, like they look so fancy. So I love those. I've just poured myself a glass of wine. I'm just gonna sit down and watch some Netflix and chill because we deserve it, because we cleaned the whole place. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Thank you, bye.